Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing fine. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe to my channel. Most of you watch the videos but do not subscribe. Today I'm going to talk about quinoa, a superfood that has many health benefits, especially for weight loss and cholesterol. Quinoa is an ancient grain that is gluten-free, high in protein, fiber, and antioxidants, and low in calories. In this video, I will explain how quinoa can help you lose weight and lower your cholesterol levels, and also share some delicious recipes that you can try at home. First, let's talk about how quinoa can help you lose weight. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein, which is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, as well as keeping you full and satisfied. Quinoa also contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein that your body cannot make on its own. This makes quinoa a complete protein, which is rare among plant foods. Quinoa is also rich in fiber, which can help you control your appetite and prevent overeating. Fiber slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which helps regulate your blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes. Fiber also adds bulk to your stool and helps you feel more regular. Another benefit of quinoa for weight loss is that it is low in calories and has a low glycemic index. 1 cup of cooked quinoa has only 222 calories, which is less than rice, pasta, or bread. Quinoa also has a glycemic index of 53, which means that it does not cause a rapid rise in blood glucose levels after you eat it. This can help you avoid cravings and hunger pangs, and also reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Now let's talk about how quinoa can help you lower your cholesterol levels. Cholesterol is a waxy substance that is found in your blood and is needed for making hormones, vitamin D, and bile acids. However, too much cholesterol can build up in your arteries and cause plaque, which can narrow and harden your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease and stroke. Quinoa can help you lower your cholesterol levels by providing soluble fiber, which binds to bile acids in your digestive tract and helps eliminate them from your body. Bile acids are made from cholesterol in your liver and help digest fats. When you eat quinoa, the soluble fiber in the grain combines with bile acids and forms a gel-like substance that is excreted in your feces. This reduces the amount of bile acids in your body, and your liver has to use some of its stored cholesterol to make more bile acids. This lowers your total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol, which is the bad kind that clogs your arteries. Quinoa can also help you lower your cholesterol levels by replacing animal foods that are high in saturated fat and cholesterol, such as meat, cheese, and eggs. Quinoa is a cholesterol-free food that can provide you with enough protein and other nutrients without adding extra fat and calories to your diet. As you can see, quinoa is a wonderful food that can help you lose weight and lower your cholesterol levels, as well as provide you with many other health benefits. Quinoa is easy to cook and versatile, and you can use it in many dishes, such as salads, soups, stir-fries, casseroles, and desserts. Here are some of my favorite quinoa recipes that you can try at home. Quinoa salad with spinach, avocado, and strawberries. This is a refreshing and colorful salad that is perfect for summer. You just need to cook some quinoa and toss it with baby spinach, sliced avocado, fresh strawberries, chopped almonds, and a simple dressing of lemon juice, olive oil, honey, salt, and pepper. Quinoa and black bean chili. This is a hearty and satisfying chili that is packed with protein and fiber. You just need to saute some onion, garlic, bell pepper, and carrot in a large pot, and then add some vegetable broth, canned black beans, canned diced tomatoes, quinoa, chili powder, cumin, oregano, salt, and pepper. Bring the mixture to a boil, and then simmer until the quinoa is cooked and the chili is thickened. You can top it with some shredded cheese, sour cream, cilantro, and green onions if you like. Quinoa and chocolate pudding. This is a decadent and delicious dessert that is also healthy and vegan. You just need to blend some cooked quinoa, unsweetened cocoa powder, maple syrup, vanilla extract, almond milk, and a pinch of salt in a blender until smooth and creamy. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and refrigerate until chilled. You can enjoy this pudding as it is, or add some whipped coconut cream, fresh berries, or chopped nuts for extra flavor and texture. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about quinoa. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below what are your favorite ways to eat quinoa, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching. See you.